Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Alisa Abdullaeva and I'm here to help you to create harmonious and happy relationship between men and women. And today we're going to talk about men. The truth is, men can do anything, absolutely anything for you. But the reason why they stop doing it is actually three things that we're going to cover today in this video. The first thing is that you stop admiring and appreciating him. And when you stop appreciating a man, it kills his desire to do anything for you. For example, you had a broken AC unit, and he took time, energy, money, and his effort to fix it. And then afterwards, you told him, "Oh, thank you." Because in the background, you think it's his duty. And that's why you don't even take time to really appreciating him, because it took half a day, maybe the entire day, for him to fix it. And men have his duty, and women, we have our duty. But even if a man has his duty at home, it is your responsibility to appreciate him and acknowledge him. And if you stop doing that, he doesn't have any motivation to do that next time. The second is when you're asking him something really unreasonable, that is really expensive, that he cannot afford. For example, you want a new car that costs $50,000, but your husband makes only $60,000 a year. And so if he purchased this car, you will enjoy it, but he won't, because he had to take an extra loan to buy this car, and now he needs to pay not just for the mortgage but also for this car payment. And it puts him in such a space of pressure that he doesn't feel appreciated, because you're not considering what's going on in his world and how expensive this gift. Or maybe it could be the vacation that you want him to take you to, and that trip is very expensive. And the reason why he's not taking you, because right now at this point he cannot afford it. And so if a man does it because you pressured him, he won't enjoy it, and next time he will not feel motivated to again do anything for you. And the third reason is when a woman starts doing things by herself. She takes a job, and now she buys this expensive car that she wants, or she buys expensive gifts, or she takes herself and even you to vacation. And men at this point feels like, okay, she can afford things herself, she has a job, and he doesn't feel any now motivation to do anything for you, because you are living in a masculine energy, and you have an attitude that you're go-getter and you can do everything yourself, and therefore you're killing his motivation to do anything for you. So I hope this video been helpful. I strongly recommend for you ladies to watch also this video that every woman must know, and that's gonna help you tremendously. And also this video about his needs and how you can acknowledge and appreciate him. So with that said, namaste, till next time.